डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 15 स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड टुडेस टॉपिक इज मीन एंड स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन और वेरिएंस रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम. If mean and variance are given and some observations are missing maybe, or some observations are given and find remaining observations. हो सकता है हमें मीन एंड वेरिएंस किसी क्वेश्चंस का गिवन हो और उसमें से कुछ टर्म मिसिंग हो, या हो सकता है कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाए और आप कहा जाए कि रिमाइनिंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस फाइंड करें. फॉर फाइंड रिमेनिंग ऑब्जर्वेशंस वी यूज फर्स्ट formula for mean, which is sum of observations by number of observation, which is already we discussed in previous lecture. Second, for variance, let observations x1, x2, x3 up to xn, then the observations observation x, x1, x2 up to xn, x square, that is x1 square, x2 square up to xn square. We use formula for variance is summation of xi square upon n minus summation of xi by n whole square. And also mean is summation of xi by n. So we can say that variance is summation of xi square by n minus mean square. Question number 1, the mean and variance of 8 observations are 9 and 9.25 respectively. If 6 of observations are 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, find the remaining 2 observations. Let remaining 2 observations be x and y. Therefore, the total observation, that is 8 observations, are 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, x and y. Here number of observation is 8. Mean is given as mean is 9 and variance is given as 9.25. Since mean is 6, mean is sum of all observations by number of observations, so we use mean is 9, this equal to, after simplify we get 60 plus x plus y upon 8, and after simplify we get x plus y is 12. Now observations are 6, 7, 10, 12, 12, 13, x, y. So their squares quantities are total. After simplify we get 60 plus xy, and after total simplify we get 642 plus x square plus y square. Since variance is equal to summation of xi square by n minus summation of xi by n whole square. Since this is also the mean, so 9.25, this quantity as replace as mean, so this becomes to mean square. After simplify, we get x square plus y square is equal to 80. So we get x plus y is 12, x square plus y square is 80. So we need to find x and y. We have these two equation. Now multiply. No. Now squaring both side is this equation. We get x plus y whole square is equal to 12 square. After simplify, we get a quantity, that is 2xy is equal to 64. With this help, we create a formula x minus y, this equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. For easy simplify, we need this quantity. So after simplify, we get x minus y, that is 4. Thus, we get x minus y is 4 and x plus y is 12. After elimination method, we get x, 2x is 16, so x is 8, and after simplify y get 4. Thus the remaining observations are 8 and 4. Similarly, example 17, the mean of 5 observation is 4.4, their variance is 8.24. If 3 of the observations are 1, 2, 6, find other two observations. Let the other two observations be x, y. Therefore, the series or observations are 1, 2, 6, x, y. Mean is sum of observations by number of observations. So after simplify, we get x plus y is 13 and the variance is 8.24. After the simplify, we get x square plus y square, which is 97, and similar previous method we use this type, x square plus y square whole square is 12 square, and this way we find 2xy is 64. Here also this quantity is 2xy is 72. Similar way we can solve. So we get the remaining observations are 4 and 9.